Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we are going to talk about ways to make your home feel like a hotel. One of the best parts about traveling is staying in plush oases that combine entertainment and comfort into one luxe package. To stand out from the crowd, many hotels, Airbnbs and resorts strive to offer their guests a one-of-a-kind experience, starting from the moment they check in. With a few easy tricks borrowed from your favorite hotel getaways, you can transform your home into a similarly serene and elegant space. Then even when you're stuck at home, you'll enjoy the same sense of calm relaxation that's inspired by a well-appointed hotel room. So, let's get started. In most bedrooms, the bed is the most largest and important item in the room. So you might as well make it the star, just as hotels do. A statement bed or an accent wall behind the bed draws the eye and creates a flow in the space. It also helps the room feel less boxy. Many hotels place furniture symmetrically, in part because symmetry is both pleasing to the eye and welcoming when you enter a room for the first time. For instance, to enhance the soothing aesthetics, they typically situate identical nightstands, each with a lamp on either side of the bed or the couch. It's really important for a room to feel comfortable. A hotel room needs to gracefully accommodate sleeping, relaxing, and eating. When you're doing everything in one room, comfort is key. To recreate the aura of luxe relaxation, start with a soft, fluffy rug on the floor, which exudes coziness and also offers a way to introduce pattern into a room. In dining spaces, swap out rigid wooden chairs for plush armchairs or reupholster your existing chairs. With cushier seating, you'll be able to linger over dinner, savoring every dish without discomfort. When it comes to rooms, it's difficult to determine whether to go for sun or shade. For window treatments, many hotels take a two-in-one approach, offering both a blackout curtain and a sheer or shades. Pairing two window treatment gives guests the option of full natural light, filtered light, or complete privacy. Because hotel rooms need to serve several functions, a small sitting area can be very helpful for working, entertaining guests, or even just putting on your shoes. You too can create a hotel-like vibe by setting up an intimate seating area in your bedroom or living room. Working additional seating into a room is also a great way to invite texture and pattern into the space for a bit of visual interest. One of the great appeals of a hotel room is that it's tidy without any clutter. To replicate this orderly, well-groomed atmosphere in your home, toss any unused or broken items promptly, or find a way to store them out of the way. The absence of clutter makes a space seem more open and lighter, and it cuts down on the stress caused by visual chaos and unwelcome reminders of responsibilities, distractions, and tasks undone. Many hotels display opulent floral arrangements to give a sense of elegance and hospitality. While fresh flowers are a lovely idea for the home, keeping them alive and looking great can be messy, expensive hassle. You can, however, capture the same beauty and texture with a vase full of faux flowers. Arrange them in a stylish container for a mess-free dash of refinement. Many hotel bars and restaurants are known for their glamorous and stylish glassware. Whether colorful, edged, or delicately trimmed in gold, hotel barware adds an element of elegance to any cocktail and even dresses up the dearest house red. Amp up your drinks routine in your own home by picking up a new set of glasses or even DIYing it with paint, glitter, or etching. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.